How to add music to the Snapchat filters. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Did you know that you can add music to your Snapchat filters? Yes, in order to do so, first of all, make sure you have updated your Snapchat app to the latest version. Visit the Play Store or App Store, search for Snapchat and make sure there's no update button popping up. After that, launch the Snapchat and then head over to the camera screen. Tap on this music icon, which is on the right side panel. It is written as sounds. Tap on it. This will open another page, which is the sound library. Check for the featured song or trending songs or the popular ones. Just play the song that you want and then tap on next button. Now that this is done, the song is selected for the Snapchat. Now you can scroll down to find the filter that you want to add the song to, or you can also customize your filter to play the song by selecting it in the lens editing mode or using Lens Studio to add music to your own filter. But make sure that the music complies with the Snapchat's licensing rules. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.